Okay, so we are going to create the layout for the calculator fragment now. So we're going to go down to layout. We're going to right click this, click new file, and then under Android we're going to click layout, and we're going to name this calculator layout. So we're going to click source, and we're going to edit this file right here. So we're going to add padding to the top, 10 dp, and we're going to add a weight sum and set that to 100. So this weight sum allows us to divvy up whatever views are inside it by setting a weight to that view. We are going to insert 3 text views, one for the angle, if it's in degrees or radians, another one for the input, and another one for the output. Okay, so we're gonna add our views into the linear layout by removing this symbol, adding a greater than symbol, and clicking enter for that linear layout. So now we could add views into the space. So the first view that we are adding is a text view. And we're going to set that to angle text view. And then we're going to set the text. Make sure it's Android text. Set that to rad to start. And we're going to set the weight of this view. We're going to set that to 10. And the left padding, we're going to set that to 10 dp. And we're going to set the height of the layout. And since we have a weight sum, we're going to set this to 0, since the height will be decided by the amount of weight that we give it. And we have the width here, layout width. And we're going to set that to match parent. And we're going to create a font. We're going to set the font family to sans serif. Dash light. And we're going to set the text size to 15 dp. And we're going to set the text style to bold. So to create the rest of the views, we are going to copy and paste this view that we created. Format that. We're going to change the ID to input text view. We're going to remove the text. We're going to change this weight to 15. We're going to change this padding left to a padding right. And we are going to set that to 15 dp. And the layout height will remain 0 dp, and the width will match the parent, and the font family will be the same, and this text size will be 50, and we will remove this text style. So we will create the output text view. So we will create the output text view here. We're going to remove this Android text. We're going to set this weight to 12. We're going to change this padding left to a padding right. We're going to set that padding to 15 dp. We're going to keep the layout height at 0 dp. Our width, we're going to match parent. We're going to keep the same font family, and we're going to change this text size to 30 dp. And we're going to remove this text style. One last thing that we need to do for our input and output text view is add a gravity so it lines up on the right side of the screen. And we just have to add that here and in this view as well.